Welcome to the instruction video for the ROMEX paving joint mortar ROMPOX drain. In the following, we show you step by step how to apply the product professionally and thus achieve an optimal result. ROMPOX drain is a two-component epoxy resin-based paving grout that provides durable protection against weed growth. It is available in various colors. The grout is ideal for grouting almost all surfaces around the house, for example driveways, parking spaces, walkways and terraces, from a joint width of 3 mm respectively 1/8 of an inch. Intensive pre-wetting, slurrying and final cleaning of the stone surface with a fine water spray leaves almost no resin film on the stones. For processing you will need a garden hose with a shower or sprayer, a rubber squeegee and a fine coconut broom. When processing, we recommend the use of impervious and resistant protective gloves. For preparation, you should first mask off adjacent surfaces with adhesive tape. Then the surface to be treated must be intensively pre-wetted. Higher substrate temperatures require more intensive pre-wetting. Now open the ROMPOX drain bucket. Add the contents of the enclosed bottles to the filler component. To make full use of the bottle contents, now fill both bottles with 250 milliliters respectively 0.13 gallons of water each, close them and shake them vigorously. Then empty out the water into the bucket. Now mix ROMPOX drain with a professional stirrer for at least 6 minutes. Pour the ready-mixed paving joint mortar onto the well-wetted surface. Then slurry the paving joint mortar intensively into the joints using a soft water jet and a rubber squeegee. This will ensure that the joints are completely filled. Please note that ROMPOX drain must be continuously slurried in with plenty of water. Intensive pre-wetting, slurrying of the mortar and final cleaning of the stone surface with water are essential prerequisites for an almost resin film-free stone surface. These steps reduce the risk of white tarnishing many times over. After slurry application, rinse the mortar residues from the surface with a fine water jet without washing out the joints. About 10 to 15 minutes after rinsing, carefully sweep the stone surface with a coconut broom until it is free of all mortar residues. The correct sweeping time is reached when white streaks no longer form on the stone surface. The sweeping is done diagonally to the joint. Chamfers in slab and clinker pavements must be exposed. No rain protection is necessary in case of drizzle. If continuous or heavy rain sets in, the freshly grouted surface must be protected from rain for 12 to 24 hours. Construction foils or tarpaulins used for this purpose must not be placed directly on the surface to allow air to circulate. When properly applied, ROMPOX drain leaves almost no resin film. It is therefore suitable for almost all coated and sensitive types of stone. Thanks to compressive strengths of over 25 Newton per square millimeter, drain is approved for use category N2. Furthermore, the mortar is frost and de-icing salt resistant as well as highly water permeable. ROMPOX drain grout, which has been available for over 30 years, thus meets all the requirements for modern synthetic resin grouting. A final note, ROMPOX drain is best suited for tile coverings up to a maximum of 40 by 40 centimeters respectively 15 inches and 3/4. For grouting larger slabs, we recommend our product ROMPOX EcoFine.